Hey folks, Paul Meeks here with Worthington Products. You know us, we're the TUFFBOOM people and the Boom people. What you're looking at here is customization. You know us for our standard products, but we also customize every day of the week. And you're looking at a short 3-foot TUFFBOOM segment with a funky looking aluminum plate on the bottom. What the heck is this? This is a skid plate. We use these on the bottoms of the booms when we're putting our booms on really rocky shorelines where they're just going to be beat up from all the wave action and where you have really sharp rocks. So what this does is it provides this protective skin on the bottom of the boom to prevent damage to the boom. So listen, on your next waterway barrier project, no matter what the challenge, there is only one place to call, and that's Worthington Products, because we have been doing this for more than 25 years. Thank you so much. We look forward to talking with you about your next waterway barrier project. Thank you.